They're very big. I love this. So soft, so cozy. This little baby works wonders. Hey guys, I am Katie Kitchens. I'm the co-founder of FabFitFun, and I am here to talk about how I curated the Fall 2020 box. Let's get started with our FabFitFun picks. These are actually products that the team is picking for you, and we're super excited to show them to you. Let's go. We have the Beauty Papier Golden Superfood Antioxidant Shower Gel. It smells delicious. It's going to turn your shower into fall definite upgrade. We have Glow Milk by the Beauty Crop. It's basically like an illuminating oil, so you can use it on your cheekbones, on your collarbone, anywhere you want to add just a little bit of sparkle. You guys are going to love this one. We have the pouch. It's super cute. You can put your glasses, your sunnies, throw it into your purse, and you're good to go. So for your next set of FabFitFun picks, we have the Tranquility Sleep Mist from Hythe. And what I love is that you can spray it on your blankets, your pillow, just to get you nice and calm and ready. We have the Perfect Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Mask from NatureLab. I actually like to use it when I go to sleep. So after I get out of the shower, I put it in, and it really changes the texture and dynamic of my hair. For the last two options, we have room sprays from Daniel Stone. First up, you can't get more fall than pumpkin spice. It has notes of vanilla and cinnamon, really beautiful. And then as a different option, we have the Santal scent, which is a little bit, muskier, spicier, and you can use them in any part of your home just to kind of spice things up a little bit. We have the Laundress. This is their classic crease release. All you have to do is spray your clothes if they look a little wrinkled, and the creases magically come out. This is an incredibly cool product from Voesh, New York. It is a pedicure in a box in pumpkin spice. It has a 4-step process where it includes a salt soak, sugar scrub, massage batter, and a mud mask. And it's really going to transform your feet all fall long. Okay, so anyone who has been a member for any amount of time knows our cult classic, much loved brand Spongellé. It's infused with the soap, as you guys know, makes your skin feel soft and supple and smelling fantastic. So now we are going to move on to choices where select members can make their picks. Those are people with an annual membership. First up, we have the NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil, and it's infused with vitamin E. It really helps, again, as the weather is getting dry, to make sure that your hands look great all fall long. We have another FabFitFun Love brand, 8 Other Reasons. We have a trio of really beautiful, simple clips. It just adds like a little bit of sparkle to your hair, easy to use. One, done, you're gonna be looking great. We have Stress Reliever from Likwid RX. Before you wash your hair, you put it on, you massage your scalp, it smells good, it feels good, and it leaves your hair soft and frizz-free and luxurious. I am super excited to include this hip Cutlery Set. Obviously, it does a wonderful job of eliminating the need of using all of the plastic forks and spoons and knives that we throw away. It comes with this great carrying case, so super easy to use and also really cute. Okay, so it's throwback time. You guys know it and love it. They are the exfoliating sugar cubes from Harper and Ari. They smell great. You bring them into the shower, and basically you just exfoliate your body, leaves your skin feeling really soft and smooth, and always fun to bring back such a beloved item. So we are headed into another select choice, starting out with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. This really helps to tame and shape what the brow looks like. And because it's clear, it works on any different hair type. Love it. We have the Masontops water bottle with a turquoise neoprene cover. We all know how important hydrating is. So just a really good reminder to get your daily water intake in. the Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream from SKIN&CO. It's really a powerhouse cleanser, and you know, it has fatty acids to make the skin look supple and smooth, and always smells great and leaves your skin looking clean and refreshed. All right, guys, we are headed into throwback territory again, and we have two good ones for you. This time we're doing the Frank Body Coffee Scrub. If you're like me and you're a little tired in the morning, you bring this into the shower and it wakes you right up with that coffee smell. And last but not least in this choice, another throwback. This one is from Feel. It's renewed. It's their Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. Pumpkin is a superfood, and so it really does an amazing job brightening and exfoliating your skin. So now we are moving into our all member choice, which means everybody gets to pick what they want, or our wonderful team of experts will pick for you. So this is one of my favorite products this fall. They're blue light glasses from Nectar. Super cute, super fashion forward, but also has really amazing technology. You know, these guys are going to make a huge difference and also just look really cute. We have the multivitamin masks from Vitamasks. And this one is fantastic, full of everything that you want, B3, B5, B6, make your skin look glowy and beautiful. Okay, so I know it's that time that many of you are waiting for, the jewelry options in the box. We have two different choices that you can make from an amazing brand called Jenny Bird. The first is a super classic, delicate, really beautiful necklace with the lovely pendant on the bottom. You know, if you are more sort of classic, traditional, this is really a great piece. Or if you're a little bit more edgy, maybe a little bit more fashion forward, we have this really beautiful, chunky, mixed metal bracelet, and love that it just comes in this set. Wear it with other pieces or really on its own. It's a great standalone piece. We have one of my favorite throwbacks, maybe of all time. This is Beauty Bakery's Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I just love a beautiful, smoky, bronzy eye, and this palette gives you everything you need to create it. All right, guys, so we are on to another all member choice. This is a pretty amazing little serum. It's from Dr. Dennis Gross. This is the Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. And it's great if you have any sort of enlarged pores. Love it. We have the Gloss Medics Hair Removal Device. This is incredible because it works on all different parts of your body. If you have any facial hair, or if you want to remove any hair on your arms, etc., this little baby works wonders. It is, of course, scarf time, and we actually have two amazing scarves as choices in this box. First up, we have the Beyond Yoga Infinity Scarf. What I love is that it actually has a hidden pocket inside, so you can put in your credit card or keys, your cell phone, anything that you need on the go when you are working out. This is the Soya and Hio scarf again. So a cross between a scarf and a cardigan. And I love it because it's so soft, so cozy, so gigantic. This is a very cool brand. It's Volition. So this is a celery green cream. As we know, everybody's juicing celery. We know all of its amazing properties. So by putting it into a moisturizer, you're going to be giving your skin all of the benefits. We have another throwback. This is the Erno Laszlo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. But what I love about this is that it's super moisturizing and purifying. Again, as we're all wearing more masks, our skin can just get a little bit more irritated than we are used to, and this really helps clear all of that up. All right, guys, so we are ready for our last set of choices. These are really amazing. They're very big, as you can see in front of me. And okay, so these are both from Botkier. This is a gorgeous black tote, super functional because it has multiple inside pockets that make organization much better. We have this adorable mini backpack. It's small, but still really roomy and just really functional, perfect for fall. And both of these guys are actually valued more than double the box itself. So it is just a pretty fantastic deal. Next up, we have the Foxy Bake Curling Wand, and it's super easy to use, you know, because it is a bigger barrel. It gives you, you know, the nice sort of big voluminous waves that you know that I love. Now we have this super cute cotton basket from Mia Melange. And what's nice is that it's foldable. So if you want to store it, easy, doesn't take a lot of space and has these cute little handles. So if you want, you can take it from room to room. All right, guys, huge news. If you are fans of prestige beauty, you will not be a stranger to Stila, and I'm so excited to have this dynamic duo in the fall box. You're not getting one product, you're getting two if you make this choice. So you're getting the, you know, stay all day waterproof black liner, as well as the huge Extreme Lash Mascara. And this really stays in place and has a beautiful dark deep line. And as you guys know, I'm a huge fan of big lashes. I can't help myself. And you know, this mascara is really one of the best. So excited for you guys to try both of these. Because more is always more at FabFitFun. We have another dynamic duo for you guys. This is from Sashawan, a really beautiful hair care line out of Stockholm. You're gonna get a styling cream and a finishing cream. The styling cream makes your hair really shiny, beautiful, and protects your hair from heat. And the finishing cream will add almost like a weightless definition for a beautiful finish. Both of these products really do a bit of magic. We have these two beautiful canisters from Uncommon James. It really helps just take your kitchen up to the next level. You can use it for flour or even pens, any kind of storage. Love these guys. And as you may notice, the box itself looks a little different than normal. You know, that's because this is our first 100% recycled box, a really big leap forward in the name of sustainability. And our theme this season is Gather the Good. It's all about, you know, feeling good from the ground up, you know, creating memories, even if, you know, they may look a little different than normal, and, you know, finding those small moments of happiness. And, you know, we certainly hope this box brings you lots of happiness. As always, we are incredibly lucky to partner with an amazing nonprofit. This season, we are working with No Kid Hungry, which was chosen by our incredibly gorgeous, smart, and talented cover model Padma Lakshmi. I'm a crazy Top Chef Bravo fan, so this one was really exciting, and, you know, really loving her new show, Taste of the Nation, so check that out. But guys, this fall box may be the best one ever, filled with so many pumpkin-y, fall-y, delicious goodies that I know you're going to love. And if you're not already a member, make sure to sign up at FabFitFun.com. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.